Today we're at 1145 Florence Lane here in Covington. Looking at a home that was just recently renovated. This is a QC inspection. A very prudent move by the owner to install the cages over the top of the AC units. Theft has been prevalent in the state of Georgia. I'm not sure who maintains the key to these two locks in the event of maintenance. Perhaps that's left at the Bravo headquarters, but may want to annotate that somewhere in Appfolio for the property manager to access. I did want to point out, almost went right by this. You notice the debris from the sun damage to the dryer vent. It's broken off. Critters can just crawl right in there. So we're going to ask that a new vent be installed. Previous tenants left behind a hose rack, as well as a rack with some hose attached to it. Some damage at the bottom of this support post. Doesn't appear to be that big of a challenge at this point. Structurally, the home is in great shape. We've got new carpet, hardwoods at the foyer, new paint in a lot of the rooms. That window up there has paper jammed in it and also some sheetrock mud flung on the glass. Would like that cleaned off. You see some touch-up that was done here in the halls. And the function check on the dishwasher seems to be running rather well. There's a lot of grease buildup on the knobs, as well as residue left in the stove and crumbs in the drawer. Other than that, kitchen looks good. There's that sunlight shining in from the outside into the laundry room. This is where our water heater is maintained. Here in the garage we have no remotes for the left door. Quite a few marks up towards the front of the garage, as well as some damage along the left side. But again, it is a garage, and we chose to not repaint the garage and repair damage at this point. There is one remote control, and that is for the single car garage. And that is left on the counter in the kitchen. Let's take a look upstairs. At first, you think that the handrail is loose, but actually that's how they're designed, by the fitting that goes on them. If it's not mounted right up against the wall like you see up there, and also down here, this one doesn't rattle nearly as much. This one could use an adjustment, but again, it's on there pretty good. I don't think it's going anywhere. Top of the stairs to the left, our first bedroom. No evidence of damage, a couple little marks on the wall. As mentioned earlier, the home really looks good. Have the temperature set at 78. Currently I dropped it down to 75 earlier just to get a charge on the unit. It's working very well. No challenges here. Second bedroom up at the top of the stairs. Again, very similar to the other bedroom. Got a few more markings on the wall here. Again, nothing to prevent move-in from taking place. Every bedroom does have the smoke detector within 3 feet of entry. See evidence of touch up there. Just a very few minor things for this home. Now we're in the master. Tray ceilings. I'm going to recommend we continue to leave these ceiling fans on in an effort to save energy. We can keep it at 78 degrees, which is comfortable enough for showing the home as long as there is circulation of air. The entry into the master bath, you'll notice the frame is missing its striker plate. In addition, let's go ahead and point this out. The right sink, the door underneath, the hinge up top is attached, but as you can see the bottom one is missing screws. We need to get that attached. Garden tub works fine. No problems with the toilets. And lastly, a look at our shower there. That completes our inspection here on Florence Lane.